In this video, I'll show you how to enable super dark mode on your iPhone, which is perfect if your screen feels way too bright, especially at night. First, let's start with the basics. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and switch from light to dark mode. This already makes your iPhone much easier on the eyes, but we can make it even darker. Now go back to your home screen and press and hold on any empty area where there isn't an app. Tap Edit, then tap Customize. Here, you can change how your app icons look. You can switch them to dark, or if you want an even cleaner look, tap Clear, then choose Dark. This darkens the app icons and blends them better with the dark background. Even after doing this, you might notice some menus and backgrounds still look a bit gray instead of fully black. So let's take it one step further. Go back to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Display and Text Size. Now turn on Reduce White Point. By default, it may be set to around 25%, but you can drag the slider higher. As you increase it, you'll notice the screen getting significantly darker and more muted. This reduces harsh brightness, removes that gray glow from menus, and makes everything feel almost blackout level dark. Even photos and bright colors become much easier to look at. This is especially useful at night when you don't want your iPhone screen glaring in your eyes. And that's it. You've now enabled super dark mode on your iPhone. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who uses their phone a lot at night. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.